typical of you. We're coming on a date to Liverpool. What sounds? Cars. Cars again. And in the Museum of Liverpool, I managed to get myself a hat in preparation for the Goodwood arrival.
It's a nice hat.
I like it. Some cool cars are all leaving, so here's a quick little video for you.
Forward a bit. It's too bright, the sun.
Sorry. And the mat down there and then we'll
See you, Ron.
we get a Porsche? Okay. Cool Beetle though. Riley Elf. Riley. Lovely 30. A real nice condition, that. Cool.
With me? Okay.
Amber's favourite.
Yeah, I like that one.
You like it there? Like the colour?
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice shape, actually.
Nice shape, nice colour. Convertible. Well, yeah. But apart from that, Sunbeam Alpine. That's cool. I like that. I think you'd look good in that. Yeah, I'm gonna see this little porthole. Well, it's like it probably handles like a boat. That's very cool. Like a little drag boogie van. A Mazda MS6. The Jag. Nice short and sweet video. What do you think? Right, we're gonna go find something to eat now. Yeah. In, out, bish bosh bash, done. we are done, we're going to go find somewhere to eat and heading towards the Liverpool Empire. Coming up. And then tonight we're going to the Liverpool Cathedral for a country music by candlelight. So Amber's very happy, she's got a country girl top on.
Yeah. Got my cowboy boots in the car. And on when we get back.
Yeah. Wonderful, right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video whilst we're here in Liverpool for the day. A bit impromptu, but should be good regardless. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take it easy.